Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn English with Fatima. Today I'm going to give you some vocabulary to talk about feelings and moods. First, let's talk about positive moods and emotions. Our first word is cheerful. Someone who is cheerful is someone that is so happy and positive all the time that other people notice. For example, she was always so cheerful in the morning, it made everyone else smile too. We're talking about a happiness that is contagious, that spreads around. Relaxed. To be relaxed is to be calm, at ease, no tension. I was so relaxed sitting on the beach that I fell asleep in the sun. Excited. To be excited is to be eager and enthusiastic with anticipation. He was so excited to watch the soccer game, he didn't even care it had started to rain. Grateful. Someone that is grateful is someone that is thankful. They're feeling an appreciation of kindness. I was so grateful the bus driver stopped for me when he saw me running to catch the bus. Thrilled. Thrilled is great excitement or pleasure. This is someone who is super happy. She was thrilled she came in first place during the bike race. Pleased. To be pleased is to show pleasure or satisfaction during an event or situation. You're happy about it, but in kind of a calm way. My mother was pleased to come home to a clean house. Amused. To be amused is to find something funny. For example, my daughter was amused by the clowns at the circus. She found them funny. Okay, let's talk about some negative moods and emotions. Scared. To feel scared is to feel afraid, to feel fearful. I like to sleep with a small light on. I get scared of the dark. Lonely. To feel lonely is to be without company or friends, and you feel kind of sad about it. I feel so lonely when I have to eat lunch by myself. Depressed. Someone who is unhappy a lot of the time is depressed. This is more than just being sad about something. It's about being in this kind of sad mood a lot of the time. My brother gets depressed in the winter because it's so dark and cold. Irate. This is a strong feeling of anger. Enraged. This is more than just being angry. This is full out on fire. I was irate when the car didn't stop at the light and almost hit me. Embarrassed. A feeling of awkwardness, self-consciousness. Maybe your face turns kind of red and you want to run away. I was embarrassed when the teacher asked me the answer and I hadn't been listening. Terrified. To be terrified is to be strongly afraid, to be very scared. This is like being scared, but on a higher level. I heard a bang in the night and I was terrified someone was inside my house. Frustrated. To be frustrated is to feel distressed and annoyed. I was frustrated because I was late for work and I couldn't find my keys. Urgh. Well, I hope you learned some new vocabulary about talking about feelings and moods. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye.